Josh's appeal on his CP case has been unsealed, and he is blaming his former coworker and claiming his constitutional rights were violated. The U.S. Sun can exclusively reveal that Josh, 34, who filed his appeal late Monday evening, is trying to point the blame for the CP on his work computer in the direction of his ex-coworker Caleb Williams, 27. In the appeal, Josh alleged that Caleb Williams worked at Wholesale Motorcars, regularly used the HP computer, was extremely tech-savvy, and sent Duggar a text message on May 7, 2019 offering to watch the lot during the coming week. Josh alleged that law enforcement failed to meaningfully investigate Williams as a potential perpetrator. The disgraced reality star claimed he and his team attempted to call Caleb to the stand, but that the federal court did not allow it. The government responded, the only obvious reason why the defense is wanting to call him is because he's, Caleb Williams, a sex offender. In the appeal, Josh claimed, the district court concluded Duggar would only be permitted to ask Williams whether or not he has knowledge or recollection of being present on the car lot on or about May 13 through May 16, and if he ever remoted into the office machine, and if so, the time periods in which he would have remote in. Due to the specifications that the government set forth, Josh alleged that his team chose not to call Caleb Williams for the very limited purpose that the court would allow us to. Caleb was rumored to have once dated Josh's sister, Jana. He was arrested for criminal sex abuse after he was accused of sexually abusing a minor on or between May 2015 through May 2018. In a statement given to the U.S. Sun, Caleb said, "I more pity him than anything else, especially his family." Caleb went on to say of Josh's appeal, "In my opinion, this is a big PR stunt and he wants his freedom, I get it. I really just hope he gets some help and by the time he gets out and moves on with his life, he becomes a productive citizen. I'm all about second chances when somebody actually takes steps that are positive in their life to make a difference in the bad decisions they've made. Taking responsibility is the first step in that," Caleb concluded. In his argument for appeal, the ex-counting on star also alleged that the courts did not allow specific testimony from his expert that the HP computer could have been accessed by someone not physically present at the car lot. Josh additionally alleged his constitutional rights were violated during the execution of the search warrant at the car lot in 2019. The dad of 7 claimed that when he went to call his lawyer after the law enforcement arrived, one of the agents physically grabbed the phone out of Duggar's hand, confiscated it, and stopped Duggar from speaking with counsel. The former TV star alleged in the appeal that he was then interviewed without his counsel present and therefore his constitutional rights were violated. Josh was sentenced to 151 months in prison on May 25. According to the U.S. Sun's court reporter, Josh appeared stoic as he received his sentence, which also includes $50,100 in fines that remain unpaid. As he read his decision, the judge called Josh's crimes the sickest of the sick to the packed courtroom. He then said to Josh, "You have done some very bad things. But in your life as a whole, you've done good things. The true test of a man's character is what a man does when no one is watching." Referring to Josh's insistence that he's innocent, the judge continued, "I find it aggravating about the lack of responsibility." Judge Brooks recommended Josh participate in the Bureau of Prisons Sex Offender Treatment Program. Josh was arrested in April 2021 and charged with 2 counts of CP. He is serving his sentence at FCI Seacoville, which is a nearly 6-hour drive from where his wife Anna, 34, and their 7 children live in Arkansas. Anna continues to stand by her husband's side today. The mom of 7, however, has stayed away from the spotlight since her husband's sentencing.